Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we're going to unbox this bead kit from 2002. I'll give you a close-up of the front. And this is so cool because it's in like a Trapper Keeper, or at least that's what it looks like from the outside. And I like these little projects that are in here. You got like a ladder and the lizard keychain. Okay, I'll flip it over. Here's the back. You see, 2002. Oh, it's like fuzzy. Here's a plastic. What's that? Oh, cool. It is a Trapper Keeper. Oh, yes. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh. I love this more than I thought I was going to. So you can make some friendship bracelets. I love these little pouches in here. Oh my god. Tons of different kinds of string in here. I'll open these in a minute, but just give you a little pan. Cute flower beads. Ooh. How exciting. And here's the back. Is it just one paper? Yeah. It's clear on the... You have your project ideas. Oh. This is really neat. Okay. Here's some string. These two aren't stretchy. This one's elastic. I've never seen a bead kit in a Trapper Keeper. This is awesome. I might be making some friendship bracelets with these. I haven't made one of those in forever. Okay, we got some hemp or twine. Yeah, I think that's hemp. Some rainbow string, just some cord. And these, I used to make plastic keychains with these. Some more cord. Gosh, it came with scissors. Hot pink scissors. Cool. We have some hardware. Lanyard hooks and key rings. Some neon pipe cleaners. Man, they need to remake these. I want more of these. Okay, so this is neat on the, here, let me move this over. On the side it has a little, you can open it. Oh, it's stuck in there. Doesn't want to come out. Oh goodness. There we go. Now is this taped? I don't think that they needed to tape it. I could barely get it out of there. Oh, we did it. Cute little butterflies. Flowers. Pony beads. Well, there's something on that one. Oh, I had a bead kit with these. My Care Bear bead kit had these little flowers. Cool, I have more of them now. Those are cute. Okay, so I'm really excited for these little, they look like, oh, a mix between a tri-bead and like a jack. And then those flowers are really cool. So these would look, when you stack them together, well, I don't think you're going to get the idea, but they make a cool pattern when they're stacked together. Need the string to do that. Those are fun. And I love these stars and hearts. They're like more rounded. I don't know if you can tell than the stars we have today. Cute. And these flowers are a good time. These are pretty. Snowflake beads. I'm pretty sure that's what these are called. But these link together and they look really cool. And I like the sound they make. Cool. I'm impressed with this one. How fun is this? Trapper Keeper bead kit. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, and I'll see you guys next time.